In your kitchen, the star of the show is your wood cabinets. So what do you think that they do to keep these cabinets looking brand new? It's the same product they use in this governor's mansion and this five-star hotel. Rocky Mountain Luster Furniture Cleaner and Revitalizing Polish. If it's good enough for them, then you know that it's safe and you can trust it on all of the wood in your home. It even covers surface scratches.
I couldn't find a product that would clean and yet would not dry out the wood. So I spent the next 30 years of my life formulating a product that would renew, refresh, and revitalize the wood.
Wow, and I only have to polish every 6 months? Well, that'll save me time and money.
Wonderful. It isn't even greasy and it doesn't leave a film.
And now Rocky Mountain Luster is available for all of your home care needs too. Right now, when you buy one 16-ounce bottle, you'll get a second 8-ounce bottle as our gift to you. This special offer is now available at select Ace Hardware and Bed Bath & Beyond stores or online at RockyMountainLuster.com.